data from the different heterogeneous, from the different platforms, how the data we are accessing, maybe unstructured or a structured data. Then again, veracity represent the accuracy, means based on the format of the data we are defining the accuracy, and it is also affect the accurate results. So next is big data types. It is the IBM developed a different classification for big data types. Means big data type means how we are classified means based on the different platforms. Maybe it is an entertainment, or it is an human generated, or a business process, or a customer generated data. Based on that observations and the behavioral observations, we are classifying the big data types. First one is social networks and web data. First step is social networks and web data. Social networks means which are the applications that regarding the social networks? Social networks: Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp. These are also classified as big data types. And web data means web pages, or Twitter, email, YouTube. These are all considered as web data and social networks. In this year per minute, there are in MB or a GB data is generating, right? In millions in data is generating per minute. So this is also considered as a big data type. And next is a transaction data and business. Next one is transaction data and business processes. In this, which are the data we can consider? Transaction data and business processes. Transactions, banks, right? Credit card transactions. Otherwise, we are booking a flight, or otherwise at a time we are booking a bus. Even now also you can book the bus. Otherwise, filling booking sites, right? These are all considered as transaction and business process. Means if we are using that website, we are generating the data, right? Means we are transacting credit cards, debit cards, right? We are use the Phone Pay, Google Pay, and then Paytm. So these are also considered as transaction and business processes, big data types. Then customer master data. Customer master data means what? Customer master data means what? If we give you take a Amazon example. Before you are registering, it will give ask our details, right? Not only Amazon, another applications, right? Means name, we are asking about date of birth, place, where location. It has, right? That we consider as a customer master data. About the gender, it will ask gender, right? Amazon, Flipkart, then again Myntra. These are applications will ask. Otherwise, if we go if we go to the supermarkets, there also they will ask about information. Like means they will not have our name, but they will ask our phone number, right? Phone number. So like that also considered as a customer master data. These are, it is one of the big data types. Next is machine generated data. What is mean by machine generated data? Machine generated data. Okay, tell what is mean by machine generated data? Machine generated data means we are connecting one device to another device. I can connect my laptop to the mobile, right? Mobile is one device, and your laptop is also one device. This from mobile to laptop we are doing in a transaction. Otherwise, if you are connecting IoT, if you guys read, right? IoT. In IoT, for one Arduino board, we can connect number of sensors, right? At a time, for one Arduino board, we can connect in a number of sensors. That through that sensor, we are generating a data. That is considered as a machine generated data. Means your data that we are transferring from one machine to another machine. And here there are several examples of data from sensors, trackers, trackers, right? Web logs and computer system logs. Computer generated data is also considered as a machine generated data from data store. And through the computer, here computer generated data, we are using the computer, right? Through computer we can also generate the data, that is also considered as a machine generated data. Machine generated data means we are extracting the data from the machines. Example, from machine to machine or internet IoT things. Means from in IoT we are mainly dealing with the sensors, right? That data is also considered as a machine generated data. Then next is a human generated data. What is mean by human generated data? Tell me, what is mean by a human generated data? That we generate the data means if we are in our office or in in companies, they will give biometrics, right? Or a high iris recognition, that we called as a human generated data. Otherwise we will take one pic or a videos, then again we will do the what we call it? We will send the emails to the other person, that is also considered as a human generated data. Biometrics, otherwise we are taking the video or audio, that we called as a human generated data. So these are the big data types. First one is social networks and web data. Means we are using social, that is Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, that is considered as social networks and web data type. And transaction and business process. What is about the transaction and data and business process? Banks, credit cards, transaction, flight bookings, bus booking, that is considered as a transaction and business process. Customer master data means about customer information that we generated, right? That we called as a customer master data. Machine generated data means the data generated from the machines. And the example is an IoT sensors. Then human generated data, that is we are generating the data, means sending any messages, emails, or taking any videos, pics, otherwise biometric, high iris recognition